ChatGPT-5 is finally here, and the big question is, can it actually win back the trust of programmers, or is this just more hype? Over the last few years, AI coding assistants have exploded, but many developers walk away disappointed. Why? They wrote a buggy code, misunderstood complex logic, and acted more like overconfident intern than a reliable teammate. ChatGPT-5 changes the game. It is faster, smarter, and most importantly, better at understanding context. You can give it a messy project with a multiple file, and it won't split out a random function. It can read, interpret, and make changes that fit your style. It's now explained its reasoning in a plain English. So you are not just copying and typing, you are learning. It is a skill. It can also detect a logical error before you even hit run. For the junior or for the people who don't use this thing, it's like having a patient mentor. But for the seniors, it's like a time saver to remove a repetitive work so that you can focus on architecture and innovation. But here is the truth. ChatGPT-5 is not replacing programmers. It is replacing bad habits. If you know how to code, it can be 10 times your productivity. So does ChatGPT-5 win back programmers? Yes, if we treat it as a partner, not as a shortcut. Because in the hand of right developer, this thing is not just AI, it is a superpower. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Help your brother rise. Thank you and God bless you.